Meta Connect 2025. Let's take a look. Starts with this fantastic demo of the new Meta display with the wristband. You can wear these glasses and you can text messages with an invisible keyboard thanks to the band, and you can listen to music and you can take photos and videos. As you can see here, Mark Zuckerberg is taking photos of his friend, and he can see a preview, and he can also record a video and see a preview of the video. The wristband is actually a neural band, so it's able to detect micro movements of your muscles when you are trying to select something on the user interface or you're typing. As you can see here, you have this capacity also to have captions. So you can talk with someone and you will have the captions that can be also translated into another language. The second innovation is Oakley Meta Vanguard, a new pair of sunglasses in which you can record video, you can also have slow motion, and you can ask directly to Meta some information about your speed, environment, and many other things. The third announcement is the one I like the most, and is the Meta Horizon engine. Now you can, with your Meta Quest 3 or 3S or other headset, scan your environment, and you can basically have a 3D model of your room to add into Meta Horizon spaces. And they also introduce many other generative AI tools that you can use to generate completely 3D environments in Meta Horizon. As you can see here, you type a prompt about the environment you want to generate, and Meta Horizon is able to reconstruct in 3D this environment. And you can play basically in virtual reality in Meta Horizon within this environment. So what are your thoughts? Did you like something specifically about Meta Connect, and what do you want to buy or use? Let me know in the comments below, and like this video. And if you're new, I'm Irenoid and I make content about technology mainly, but also digital art and travels. So check out the other videos on my YouTube channel and subscribe. Bye!